Namaste. Good morning, everybody. Myself Ganesh, Faculty of Social Science. Today we learn about ninth class social lesson number 4, atmosphere. Atmosphere, this word has derived from Greek language. Atmos means vapor. Atmosphere is the sea of gases surrounding the earth. Atmosphere also make life possibility for us in many other ways. Atmosphere is preventing harmful rays which are coming from the sun. The sun, as you know that the sun is releasing UV rays, radio waves and X-rays. So likewise here atmosphere is preventing the harmful rays which are coming from the sun. So in this way it is helping for human beings to exist on the surface of the earth. Next we need to appreciate green plants, that they take even carbon dioxide and they are providing oxygen. When we breathe out, we give out carbon dioxide. That carbon dioxide is received by the trees and they give oxygen for us. So in that way human being is existing on the surface of the earth. That you have to understand. Atmosphere is provides rain also. Atmosphere is providing rain also. That see, it is how it is supporting for human life. That you have to understand here. Atmosphere is giving presentation, that atmosphere is giving precipitation to rock erosion that leads to form different type of soils. Atmosphere nothing but just you remember the previous lesson what we have learnt. Just remember the water cycles, that evaporation is taking place due to the sunshine. That evaporated water bodies is moved by the wind force. So wind force is nothing but atmosphere. Atmosphere is giving a chance to give precipitation. That precipitation nothing but rainfall. As you know that the rainfall is when the rainfall is moving on the when the rainfall is taking place on the rocks, that leads to erode the rocks. So the erosion material is giving a scope to form soil. That you have to understand. Atmosphere is giving a chance to form new type of soils also. That you remember. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration is saying that is NASA. It is saying that if you take as an example of the globe as a volleyball, atmosphere is the it's a like a thin blanket which is covered entire the globe. That definition was given by NASA. As you know that, see, trees, they are giving us oxygen. So without oxygen you cannot imagine any living beings on the surface of the earth. So now we are able to see here atmosphere, which is atmosphere is a sea of gases surrounding the earth. That we can say it is a very thin blanket surrounded by the earth. The atmosphere is about 100 kilometer thick. That you remember. So now we see here, we have to learn here some gases, how they are existing on the atmosphere. Some gases are there, Nana. Once you see on the globe here, about 78% of gases is nitrogen only. and the rest here oxygen is 20.95%, and next here xenon 0.000009%. Next neon also is there, 0.0018% of neon is there. Now hydrogen is 0.0005% is there. Now we able to read here helium also is there in our atmosphere, that 0.0005% is there. See, carbon dioxide is there, how much percent? See, 0.038%. This is total percentage of the gases. As we understood that atmosphere is a sea of gases, it is surrounded by the earth. Krypton also is one of the gas which is existing on the globe. See, now we learn about atmosphere, that it is broadly divided. The structure of the atmosphere is broadly divided into two parts, that is hemosphere, next one is heterosphere. That atmosphere, now it contains of two layers are there, atmosphere. That now we see atmosphere, first one is a homosphere, heterosphere is there. Homosphere, now heterosphere. Here homosphere is very very important for us. See, now we discuss about this homosphere. Homosphere contain of troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere. So it is characterized by uniformity of composition of gases like nitrogen, oxygen, argon and carbon dioxide, that you have to understand. And heterosphere is the layer above 90 kilometers of homosphere is called heterosphere. Now we see next one by one, we learn in deeper about one by one. Homosphere extends up to how many kilometers, Nana? A height of 90 kilometers are there. It is about, it consists of three layers are there, very very important layers. Now we focus troposphere. This is a troposphere is a, it is a sphere, that troposphere is the lower most layer of the atmosphere. Troposphere is the lower most of the atmosphere. It is the average height is 13 kilometers are there. Now we are going to know about them. Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere. Now troposphere, we focus on troposphere. Now focus, see the average height of troposphere. See, now we able to see here. Now we able to see here. Now focus, see troposphere, just like see here. I would like to write here, just see, this is what, Nana, just it's a scale that we can take here, like the heights kilometers, like that. The troposphere height is about that average is, the height is how many kilometers, Nana? See here, I said this is what mean sea level, MSL, MSL. So the average is 13 kilometers here, 13 kilometers, you remember. So this is 13 kilometers. See here, troposphere, this is what troposphere, imagine this is troposphere. The specialty of troposphere, what is the specialty of troposphere? It is the average height is 13 kilometer. It is extends roughly to height of 8 kilometers nearby the poles. So where the poles are there, see here, this is what equator, poles, nearby the poles, it is how many kilometers, Nana? 8 kilometers will be, it is 8 kilometers. See, whereas equator, it is about in the equator, see 18 kilometers will be, it is about 18 kilometers will be in equatorial region, whereas here high average is 13 kilometers, that you have to understand. And in this context, what are the things you have to learn here. See, now we will focus are there. We will focus there. Okay. Now I will take at polar region height is 8 kilometers. At equator 18 kilometer of height is there, that is troposphere. The entire weather phenomenon is taking place at where? The troposphere. Entire the weather phenomenon, that means what? Entire weather, that changes are taking place in where? Troposphere. This is the first layer of the atmosphere, that is the average means what? The mean sea level, the bottom to topper, 13 kilometers. The average height of the troposphere is 13 kilometers. If that, you see, it is place to place, it is going to be changing. It is in polar region it is just only 8 kilometers, whereas equatorial region it is 18 kilometers. That you have to understand. Okay. So here we see here the water cycles occur in which layer? That is a troposphere. As we go to height, the temperature is falls. That is the specialty of this layer. That is the things you remember now. Now next, stratosphere. The specialty of stratosphere is it is about a height of 50 kilometers. Okay. This layer almost free from clouds means what? Here there is no clouds, but a chance is there. What is that? Jet aircrafts can move fastly in this layer. Jet aircrafts. That's all. This is the simple feature. And one more thing is there, Nana. Two things should be remember. One is jet streams are moving in which layer? That which layer, Nana? That is a stratosphere. Next one is ozone gas layer is existing in which sphere? That is stratosphere. That you have to understand. Next one is a mesosphere. It is up to height of 80 kilometers. Mesosphere about 80 kilometers will be that. Some meteoroids which are coming from the space, they are, when they are coming there, when they are when they are coming to dash collide with the earth, when they come to this layer, they make burn. See how atmosphere is protecting from the meteorites. Meteorites, some pieces of the broken pieces of the planets, other planets are, they are coming and they are trying to damage our planet. But when they are coming to our atmosphere region, especially mesos layer, when they enter to the meso layer, they make burn and they are protecting our earth. These are the things you must remember, Nana. Okay, beta. Now next, thermosphere. The specialty of thermosphere is extends up to 400 kilometers. Okay, and the temperature rises rapidly as height is increased. Okay, radio waves is transmitted from the earth. We are receiving from the radio waves from which layer? That is thermosphere. So these are the things. Okay, we will continue for the next video, Nana. We will continue for next video for the